It was critical that I get some people to extend us the credit, and I had to call Lester Key, I had to call Bill Sampson, I had to call Joe Natcher, and I said, we're going to need a little credit, you want to go? With that in mind, let me read something, and this is something I ran across that I think is important piece of advice, and it's what happened. It's a story about how we all help each other. Two horses, author unknown. Just up the road from my house is a field with two horses in it. From a distance, each horse looks like any other horse. But if you stop your car or walking by, you will notice something quite amazing. Looking into the eyes of one of the horses will disclose that he is blind. His owner has chosen not to have him put down, but has made a good home for him. This alone is amazing. If you stand nearby and listen, you will hear the sound of a bell. Looking around for the source of the sound, you will see that it comes from the smaller horse in the field. Attached to the horse's halter is a small bell. It lets the blind horse know where the other horse is so he can follow. As you stand and watch these two friends, you'll see that the horse with the bell is always checking on the blind horse. And that blind horse will listen for the bell and then slowly walk to where the other horse is, trusting that he will not be led astray. When the horse with the bell returns to shelter of the barn each evening, it stops occasionally and looks back, making sure that the blind friend isn't too far behind. Like the owner of the two horses, the universe does not throw us away just because we're not perfect or because we have problems or challenges. It watches over us and brings others into our lives to help us when we're in need. Sometimes we're the blind horse, being guided by the little ringing bell of those who the universe has placed in our lives. Other times, we are the guide horse, helping others to find their way. Good friends are like that. You may not always see them, but you know that they're always there. Please listen for my bell, and I'll listen for yours. And remember, be kinder than necessary. Everyone you meet is fighting some kind of battle. Live simply, love generously, care deeply, speak kindly, and leave the rest to the universe. For we walk by faith and not by sight. To the world, you may just be somebody To somebody, you may be just the world. I'd like Lester Key, Dean Ballinger, and Joe Natcher to come up here. When during the treatment, I got down to 141 pounds. The thing had completely run off the track. And those three people were the guide horse. And I could hear that bell. And I followed to their lead. They've been true friends, and I wouldn't be here today had it not been for them. Hopefully, over the years, I've had a bell for somebody else. But I have that poem because it reminds me of them. I'd like to share this day with them. I wanted to publicly thank them for helping us get here. When we got the stores back, we had 450 employees in 37 stores. We're operating 36 stores today. We're doing a tad bit more business than what we did with the 37, and we have 500 employees. And it's because of them that we were able to do that. Lester, Joe, Dean,